Oh, the places you'll go with Chalk Couture. With stencils and chalks, there's so much to explore. You'll start with a surface so blank and so bright, then sprinkle your magic, your ideas take flight. With pastes and bright colors and transfers galore, your creativity is boundless, your ideas will soar. You'll chalk like a pro with precision and ease, and the things that you'll make will amaze and will please. But wait, there's more. Oh, what's that you hear? It's the Perks program calling, and it's drawing you near. As a member, you'll gain the inside scoop, exclusive deals and savings that will make your heart whoop. With Chalk Couture Perks, the reward is all this: a life full of color, community, and fun. Oh, your creative journey has only just begun. So grab your squeegees and set off on your way. With Chalk Couture's magic, you'll brighten each day. Don't you want to join Perks today?